Before you can progress any further in your study of science, it is important for you to understand exactly what science is. You probably already have some ideas about what science is in your head. Maybe it includes experiments or blowing things up. Maybe you think about DNA and microscopes. Maybe you even think about Newton's laws or the solar system. If any of those things cross your mind when you think about science, you aren't wrong. Science can be thought of as both a lens through which we study the world and a compilation of knowledge we have gained from those studies. To explain that further, science is just one way to look at and study the world. Science uses something called the scientific method to study the natural world and uncover the ways in which it works. There are many different fields of science, from astronomy and physics to geology to biology, and so many more. But all of those fields use the same scientific method. This method is a process of study that seeks to remove bias as much as possible and identify relationships between natural phenomena and their causes. Through the application of this method, scientists have come to understand many natural phenomena, and this knowledge is also considered science. This includes Newton's laws of physics and the orbits of the planets in our solar system. We often find this part of science in books and study it in your classes. This too is science, but it is important to remember that all of these understandings started out as hypotheses and were studied through the scientific method and supported by large amounts of evidence. In this course, you will be learning how to apply the scientific method to an area of study that interests you. So let's get started.